We need to talk. Why? We said we was gonna start on Monday. Didn't. We said we were gonna leave that situation. Didn't. We said we were gonna take care of ourselves. Didn't. And because you didn't, every goal feels like a joke before you even begin. You can't even get excited for anything anymore. Why? Because your nervous system is like, girl, I know you lying. Listen, it's not about being perfect, but you really have to rebuild that trust within yourself again. And you have to do that one small promise at a time. And that is part of cracking her code so that you can start believing what you say. You can't rebuild trust with motivational quotes. You can't rebuild trust with only affirmation. You can't rebuild trust with the cute matching workout outfits that you wear. You did all of that through an identity crisis, and that's why it's not working. You rebuild that trust in yourself with action and taking accountability. And it's built when your actions finally start matching the word. So if that's what you need right now, then we need to talk. I can help you out with that. Comment her under this post to get started, or simply send me a DM. Let's get you started. Toodles.